Just dropping in on you. Hope that everything is going well on your end. I didn't get a chance to drop in on you guys with Money Monday and all the things that I would normally do on a Monday. There's a lot going on, trying to get some things taken care of. I've been moving around. One of the things that I committed to and that I've shared with you is that I've committed to optimizing my health, something that I used to be extremely committed to and lately been buried in work so much and in the things I'm trying to get done, and spending so much time at a computer desk is never good. That sedentary lifestyle is a beast. I get to the gym, but I wasn't getting there frequent enough, so that's been a commitment. So I started the 60-day holistic health and wellness challenge. I want to invite you guys to take a part of that. If you're on Facebook, go to the Master Fitness 21 Facebook page, like the page, and start getting feedback, start getting information, become a part of a group that's sharing, that's hoping we're all taking this journey. And this holistic health isn't just about physical health. It's about emotional health, mental health. It's about financial well-being and health. It's about really and truly aligning yourself across the board to optimize and be the best you can be. I want you to really, truly commit to that. Don't wait until December 31st, January 1st to establish some New Year's resolution that you're not going to keep. Start setting the habits now. Start creating daily rituals that will become habitual behaviors, habitual patterns of thought, habitual expectations and anticipations of a higher standard, a higher level of excellence and performance. It's immensely important. I want to encourage you in this. I also want to take a real brief moment to share with you that this journey to excellence, this journey to raising your level of performance and impact in life, this journey towards being the best you can possibly be, being the best husband and wife, being the best parent, being a good business owner, being a great employee if that's what you choose to do, being excellent at what you're doing, being exceptional at what you're doing. It doesn't come easy. It's not something you wish upon yourself. It's something that you declare. It's something that you establish. It's something that you insist upon and demand of yourself in your thinking, in your expectations, in your planning, in your activities, and in your behavior. It is a new lifestyle that begins with a new way of thinking. I want to encourage you not to be disappointed to the point of being discouraged because something isn't happening fast enough. Don't be so caught up in what's not going right that you miss what's going right. Don't be so caught up on what's not happening that you miss what's happening. What I'm trying to get you to understand is that there is something happening if you are acting on what it is that you desire. There is something happening. It may not be happening at a pace that's easily recognizable, but it's happening. That's why you've got to be able to measure, to understand, to know. You've got to have some measurables that you can look up and say, okay, this is where I was last month. This is where I was 6 months ago. This is where I was last year, so that you can see that you are making progress, that you are gaining ground, that you are growing. I want to encourage you, don't give up, don't quit, don't turn around. Delay does not mean denial in any stretch of the imagination, in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Delay is a part of the process, and behind delay is always something that is a reward for the persistence, the commitment, and the unwillingness to quit. You can't give up. You got to be relentless. You got to be committed. You got to be willing to go the distance. When you are willing to go the distance, that's absolutely nothing that you can't make happen. It's all about what you are committed to doing and what you will not allow yourself to do by way of going backwards, giving up, turning around. That's not how it's going to happen. That's not how you're going to bring things to pass. You're going to bring things to pass by saying, this is what I'm going to do. The only option is to win. The only option is to finish. The only option is to rise up and meet the challenges that I'm going to face on a day-to-day basis. I am going to meet the challenges. That's what your responsibility is in this journey, in this process. It's is to simply be committed to go get it. And it's not going to always look pretty. It's not going to always feel great. This is not about feelings. This is not about how things look. This is about what you have declared for your life. I'm challenging you to rise and meet every challenge that you face that's standing in the way of you becoming what you desire to be and having what you desire to have. That's from me. Look into the description box of this video and take advantage of the resources that are available. And I look forward to working with those of you who want to work with me. I look forward to really spending time with you. I look forward to sharing and encouraging everyone that's going to take part in the 60-day holistic health and wellness challenge. This is a time for change. This is a time for elevation and empowerment. I'm challenging you to rise up and do something extraordinary. It's possible. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. You guys have a great day. As I always say, I'm going to live my life on full so that when it's time to go, I leave this place I die on E. I'm challenging you to do the same thing. Have a great day.